Stop me if you've heard this before. This year is my year. You said it in 2023. You said it in 2024. You probably said it 3 weeks ago. And here's the brutal truth. 2026 will be exactly like every other year unless you do what I'm about to show you. Because motivation dies. Discipline stays. Look, I'm not here to pump you up with feel-good garbage that evaporates by February. I'm here to give you the 7 non-negotiables that separate the people who actually transform their lives from the ones who just talk about it. Here's what nobody tells you. It's not about doing more. It's about doing less of the wrong things. Stick with me because number 5 is the one that changed everything for me, and most people get it completely backward. Number 1, kill one thing, not 5 things. 1. What's the habit that's quietly destroying your future? Doom scrolling, saying yes to everyone, staying in that toxic relationship. Name it right now, because every empire you want to build is being held hostage by that one thing you refuse to let go of. You don't need to add more to your plate. You need to throw something off it. And I know what you're thinking, but it's not that simple. You're right, it's simpler. Number 2, the 5 a.m. lie. Everyone's obsessed with waking up at 5 a.m. like it's some magic pill. Here's what actually matters. Bookending your day with non-negotiable rituals. Doesn't matter if you wake up at 5 or 9. What matters is, do you own your morning or does your phone? 10 minutes of silence, no notifications, no checking what everyone else is doing, just you, your thoughts, and your plan. Because the person who controls the first hour controls the whole day. Number 3, build your pressure chamber. You know why most people fail? Not because they lack talent, because they lack pressure. You need stakes, real ones. Tell someone your goal and give them permission to call you out. Put money on the line. Make it public. Comfort is the enemy of greatness. And right now, you're too comfortable with mediocrity. Create consequences. Make failure painful. Watch how fast you move when there's actually something to lose. Now, the next one is where most people sabotage themselves without even knowing it, and it has nothing to do with productivity. Number 4, guard your inputs like your life depends on it, because it does. Everything you consume becomes your reality, your podcast playlist, your friend group, your social media feed. If you're listening to people who complain, you'll become a complainer. If you're watching people win, you'll start thinking like a winner. Your brain is the most powerful tool you own, and you're letting any random person program it. Audit your inputs. Today, cut out the garbage. Double down on what makes you better. Number 5, the identity shift. This is the one that changed my life. Stop setting goals. Start choosing identities. Don't say, I want to lose weight. Say, I'm someone who trains. Don't say, I want to build a business. Say, I'm an entrepreneur. Because your brain doesn't respond to future possibilities. It responds to present identity. When you are something, the actions become automatic. The goal isn't to do more, it's to become more. And once you become it, everything else is just execution. Number 6, the 90-day sprint. Forget 12 months. That's too long to maintain intensity. Think in 90-day blocks. Pick one objective. Go all in. Review. Reset. This is how you build momentum without burning out. Most people diffuse their energy across too many things for too long. You need concentrated force. 12 weeks of obsession beats 12 months of half effort. Number 7, decide it's done. Not I hope, not I'll try. Decide. There's a moment, usually at rock bottom or fed up, where you stop negotiating with yourself. You just decide. That moment is available to you right now. You don't need to wait for pain. 2026 will be your year the second you stop treating it like a wish and start treating it like a done deal. The version of you that's already won. Channel them now. This isn't about perfection. It's about direction. And every single thing I just shared, you already knew it. The question is, will you actually do it? Because the only thing standing between you and the life you want is the story you keep telling yourself about why you can't have it. So here's what happens next. Comment below with one thing you're killing this year. One habit you're done with. Say it out loud. Make it real. And if this hit you, share it with someone who needs to hear it. 2026 is waiting. Let's go.